Yes, peeps. Go to water there now, you know. We have a jump on net, you know. Yeah, man. Today we are going to use a different boat, a smaller boat today. 2 hours alone ago. Ah. General fat lobster over there, so I deal with the same here. Yeah, man. Eh? I catch it. Yeah, man. Nice fat lobster, yeah, boy. So I look like about 3 pounds. Yeah. Man. Nice, man. Yes, Steve. So I do take up a net, you know, in the evening, and the time is about 3-7, you know. And I go take up a net in the evening, quick and fast. And then I see if I can do like a spearing in the meanwhile. So that's how we do it. Meanwhile, we have beat the net. We try to see if we can spear anything, we can spear something. So I got water, you know. So next good afternoon again. Yes. Grab up your bad fin them, yeah. Glass and my piece of wire there, so that's how I use to string the fish them. See a gull fly around there. Yes, peeps, so we are heading for water, you know. Yes, man. We have here with us today. Great day, man. We have a great day where you usually deal with her a long time and about dogs from here, dogs like you want back. So we are going through one nice go shallow water here, so we have to take our time and navigate through. Man. We drive around that side the last time. So we take it right close to the reef, as you can see. Rock them come up, so this is the reef and we are on the inside. So we go through a nice cup of shallow water. So we're reaching some deeper water now, so we're taking our time and trying to navigate our way through, you know? That's where you come down, over there, see the cup? Over there, sir. Huh? Over there, sir, go, man. Up on the deep. So we're reaching some deeper water now. So this is the first buoy now, right there. One of the marker for the net. So we're gonna anchor the boat here now and get ready for diving. That's we're gonna swim and beat the net straight down to the next buoy, to the next marker. Yes, so we're going into the water here now. Let's go still there across there, and the where you call this a man now, the watchman left in the boat. Yeah, the boat anchor here, so we can move. And this is not deep water still. As you can see bottom, see white there. So we are going to beating it along the line and then shoot anything we see. I want anything we see what we want. You know what that go. Yes, peeps. Yeah, are you okay? Okay, sir. Don't go anywhere here. Okay, I'll be back in the morning. So as I hold on my head and went for a dive down, I saw that lovely size stingray at the bottom. And I look up and saw Mandela. Went after a nice sized crab. And he speared it. And at this time the visibility was very good. Water was very clean. And the sea was calm. I make after a nice sized butterfish here, a gripper. And at that time the camera started to act up on me. So I reset my gun. And I went for the GoPro on my head. I took it off and checked, and that's when I saw the memory card error. Yes, peeps, tell you say GoPro show me some memory card error. Hopefully me have the video there when me capture from earlier when me a go out and when me saw die. You know, get fit catch not where me a take up the net. So me a take up the net. Come in back and I use a different camera now. So what me find is fat crab here. And this other one here. We find whole heap of fish in, but them here me a carry home. Here I go cook them are different. Me I go cook this up. So me I go steam this up in a, you know, with some okra and then evening there. Yes man. I scale them off here now still. So some steam crab and okra. This is an extra large parrot fish, you know? Yes man. Yes peeps, so this is what taking place, you know. So I'm going to steam that one now. At the evening. We finish clean them up and thing, 3 of them. Them 2 here, I'm going to steam them. I don't know if you want me steam them for him still, but you are going to steam them now. Yeah, but this can, the water, this alone can go in a pot still, you know. This can, nothing else can go in a pot. Well, it'll get a little dark now, guys, so I'm going to head home here now. Yes, man. So catch me in the kitchen then, see? Okay, guys, so I'm in the kitchen now, and this is the crab. This is the big parrot right here, so not doing anything special, just steaming him down. My plan was to get some okra and stuff, but I end up leave the beach late, and you know the curfew thing in Jamaica and things, so I never go get anything else, so I just steam it down regular. I'm steaming it down regular with just some regular ingredients like just some onion and peppers and thing, and use butter and thing, you know, really hard man style. Okay guys, so this is how it look. after I cook it. So very nice, and it's a lovely size parrot, as you guys can see before. Yes, man. So, I'm gonna enjoy it now. Hopefully it finger licking. So as I said before, I'm not planning on doing a long video today, so I'm gonna end this video right now. So once more, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, remember to hit that bell for all new uploads. So until then, next time.